Hello all, welcome to Mech Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the most important thing, that is GATE 2022 paper. This is a second day paper and today they will hold three paper, IN, PI and CH. So for the PI I will discuss in a detail what type of question they have asked and how you can prepare for the upcoming examinations. Like already mechanically scheduled for the next, that is 13th of February. So based on the PI paper you will get the idea, because the portion of PI is almost same for the GATE ME, little bit different with some subjects and some topic, but then most of the syllabus is same. So we will discuss that paper as well, and along with that we will also discuss the other branches paper related to engineering, math and aptitude, and what was the total number of MSQ which is coming in all three papers which is held on today. So we will continue discussion on the same thing in this video as well. So as you are aware of that, GATE PI has already held today and they will ask a few different types of questions, and most of the questions are numerical data type. And if you go with the numbers, there are total 55 question of technical. In that 32 questions is from like related to the MCQ, and the remaining 33 questions which is related to engineering aptitude along with the technical having numerical data type. So you will get the idea what was the total. There is no MSQ in that particular paper. And most important thing which you need to remember, that the PI question, like in a question paper of PI, most of the question of manufacturing is little bit difficult, because the number of question which they have asked is more theoretical rather than the going with the numerical. Yeah, standard question like if you go with the welding along with the cutting and other metal forming, these are coming with the numerical, and related to the costing they have also asked numerical with the theory question as well. So if you talk about the other paper, that is a CS and IN paper which is held today itself, and there they will ask in a CS paper 35 MCQ and 30 questions are numerical data type, and there is no MSQ in CS paper as well, that is chemical engineering. And then if you go with the IN, that is instrumentation, there are total 34 question which is MCQ, and numerical data type was 26, and 5 question are MSQ. In case of a GATE PI along with the GATE CS, there is no GATE CS, there is no MSQ, but in case of a GATE IN there is an MSQ. And the most important point which you need to remember, that the question which is coming from the SOM and theory of machine, in case of a SOM, like a SOM and FM, a little bit numerical having some difficult label in that particular zone, and other than that almost the paper was easy. And few of the question are still having a confusion, because the manufacturing contains the theory paper, and that's why the few of student has not clear with the theory answers. Might be they said that the paper level was little bit moderate, but in if I discuss with the most of the student which I have connected with them, so they will told like question paper was easy. Few of the question is directly theoretical, you will go and within 10 to 15 seconds you will get the answer, and the other questions are numerical data type, and few of the question they will not understand at all, because the questions label in that particular theoretical is a little bit different track, because they haven't asked numerical. Instead of every year they will ask most of the question numerical, and rather than going with the 5 to 10% of theory, like maximum 20%. But in this year production is having a lots of weightage along with the theory, around 10 to 12 questions. Other than that the paper was easy. If you have a study and revise well and give a test series, at least few test series of at least 10 mock test of full length if you had given already, then you have a well track and you can maximize your score in a final examination as well. So do not worry about the MSQ, because MSQ is coming, then it's applicable to all those students who is appearing in particular shift. But most of the paper, even though say electrical paper, they will not ask any MSQ. Only as of now CS, computer science, along with the instrumentation branch, these two branch having a MSQ. Other than that there is no MSQ in other paper. Yeah, little bit number of numerical data type question is high as compared to MCQ. Few of the question of linear algebra, they will also provide the exactly similar data which I have discussed yesterday's video. They will provide the same, but the pattern of asking the element of that particular matrix is different. And the other question they have also mentioned with the vector part, they have also asked 2 to 3 question over there itself, and a few question is related to numerical method in the maths, and one question is from triple integration, which is a direct forward. If you have remember the area, how you can calculate a convert volume into area, so you can easily calculate that part as well. And going ahead with the like aptitude, they will ask few of the questions from the English, which is typed like error detection, and after that a few of the questions related to like calculation of basically read the passage and get the conclusion of that particular type of questions. And most of the question are little bit like one liner. You need either find any preposition error and sentence error, and either you can go with the few of the other important points. You need to calm in a examination, because if you go in a hurry and try to solve, then you definitely you done a mistake, and it's going difficult, because as you are increasing your marks, if you have done a small mistake, they will differ around more than 100 students in between them. So if your chance of getting high in mock test, make sure that you need to maintain the accuracy along with the theoretical questions as well, and do not mark any of the random question if you do not have any idea. Even though if you go with the elimination at least 50%, then you can go with the MCQ, but in case of a NAT there is no chance at all. So I hope this video are informative and exam level was easy to moderate. There is nothing involved in hard side. Most of the student who is study, they will go with the paper was easy. If you have study all the topics which is related to your branch, definitely you are able to solve all the questions. I hope this video are informative. If you think, then do a like, share with your friends and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.